The tech world thrives on fresh ideas. It craves innovation. Flipkart GRID 6.0 2024 understands this. This competition is a beacon for aspiring software developers. It's a chance to showcase talent on a national stage. For engineering students, this is more than just a competition, it's an opportunity. Flipkart GRID 6.0 is a launchpad. It can propel careers forward. It offers real-world experience. And yes, it comes with exciting prizes, but more than that, it's a validation of skills, it's recognition amongst peers. It's a chance to be mentored by the best in the industry. This is your moment. Step into the arena. Flipkart GRID isn't new. This is its 6th edition. Each year it grows larger. Each year the challenges become more intricate, and each year the talent pool deepens. This is a testament to the program's success. From humble beginnings, Flipkart GRID has become a phenomenon. It's a proving ground for the brightest minds in software development. This year promises to be the biggest yet. The stakes are higher, the competition is fiercer. Are you ready to rise to the challenge? Flipkart GRID 6.0 is open to all undergraduate and postgraduate engineering students. This includes students from all branches of engineering. Do you have a passion for technology? Do you dream in code? If so, you're eligible. The competition requires teams of 2 to 3 members. This fosters collaboration. It encourages teamwork. Find like-minded individuals. Combine your strengths. Together, you can conquer any challenge. The gauntlet of genius stages and timelines. Flipkart GRID 6.0 2024 is structured in stages. Each stage tests different skills. It's a true test of your abilities. First up, the demo MCQ test. This is the first hurdle. It assesses your foundational knowledge. Then, the e-commerce and tech quiz. This round delves into specific domains. It tests your understanding of e-commerce and technology trends. Next, the submission round. This is where your creativity shines. You'll develop a software solution. It must address a real-world problem. Finally, the grand finale. The top teams present their solutions. This is your chance to impress the judges. Each stage has its own timeline. Deadlines are strict. Time management is crucial. Stay organized. Stay focused. The spoils of victory, rewards and recognition. The rewards of Flipkart GRID 6.0 are substantial. They go beyond cash prizes, although those are significant. Winning teams receive generous cash rewards. This provides financial recognition for your hard work. Top performers get a chance to intern at Flipkart. This is invaluable experience. It can shape your career path. Exceptional talent may receive pre-placement interviews or even direct job offers from Flipkart. This is a dream opportunity for any aspiring software developer, but the true reward is the experience itself. The knowledge you gain, the connections you make, the confidence you build. These are the intangible rewards that will stay with you throughout your career. Taking the plunge application process. Ready to embark on this exciting journey? The application process is straightforward. First, visit the Flipkart GRID website. All the information you need is available on the official website. Next, register your team. Provide your team details and choose your preferred track. Then complete the online application. Fill out the application form with your information and academic background. Finally, submit your application. Review your application carefully and submit it before the deadline. Don't delay. The deadline is fast approaching. Take the first step towards a rewarding career in software development. Shaping your future. The Flipkart GRID advantage. Flipkart GRID 6.0 is more than just a competition. It's an investment in your future. It's a chance to learn from the best, to network with industry leaders, to gain real-world experience that will set you apart from the crowd. This is your opportunity. All the links are in description. Do check it out. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates.